Hello, this is Trash Train Punk, 1st of January 2021. Happy New Year to all of you. And you see here a little local passenger train with a passenger coach and a mail car. I have a third car, a mail car here that I'll show you now. This is Karl Bub from the Karl Bub Toy Factory, founded about 1865. And after the Second World War, they tried to enter the S-gauge market with S-gauge trains. As you see, they run fine on Fenfa tracks. They hop a little bit at the switches and the diamonds, but they run fine. Well, S-gauge started with A.C. Gilbert's American Flyer in 1946, and soon in Germany and in France, old Tinplate toy factories who had O-gauge experience tried to enter the market, so Karl Bub. You see here, let's go over to the layout. So you see here, this is one of the mail cars, Tinplate. The interesting thing is the other two have more modern wheel sets, but this wheel set is also sheet metal folded around a sheet metal disc. So even the wheels on this mail car are sheet metal. On every one of these cars, you can't see it very well. Let's look. Maybe here. You see? There it is. There it is. It reads, made in US zone of Germany. So this was produced 1948 or 1949, before the founding of the Federal Republic of Germany. So you have here 1948 Karl Bub sheet metal toy trains. They run fine on Fenfa. Let's look over here. That's it came with this original track. From the scale difference, this is a post-war sheet metal Märklin HO car. And you see, especially the wheels are enormously bigger, and the measures are a little bit higher, a little bit broader, and combines very fine with Fenfa. But as you see, the wheels are even higher than our Fenfa wheels. But they run very well. Karl Bub ended its production. I think they went bankrupt in the mid of the 1960s. Well, sheet metal times were over, and HO and N scale made the race in Western Germany. HO and TT gauge made the race in Eastern Germany, and everybody but the Americans forgot S gauge and just produced other scales and gauges. But this is a nice historic rolling stock I really love the toy train, a sheet metal toy train. The Karl Bub collectors call themselves Die Buben because Bub means boy, and so they call themselves the boys. And well, now I have a Karl Bub train, and I'm now one of the boys, as you see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay well. I wish you a better 2021 than 2020 was. And keep playing with trains. That's what we do. We play with trains. Goodbye.